Most of us have a memory attached to cycling. It can either be from our childhood or from our adult life when we teach our children how to cycle. As teenagers, cycling provided us with a great sense of freedom. And now, when you look back on that memory, what do you recollect? Do you relive the experience you had when you were cycling? Or do you recall the kind of infrastructure that was available for you to cycle on? For long, the focus of our cities has been on providing more infrastructure. The image here illustrates bicycle culture from two different cities and informs us how our urban environment requires more than just bicycle infrastructure to encourage cycling. Current practices are limited to associating the experience of a space and a place with only walkability. Or in simpler terms, how friendly is our urban environment for the purposes of walking? And majority of the studies only identify infrastructure as a barrier which can potentially impact an individual's decision to cycle. There's a significant gap around what constitutes as being bicycle friendly. My research situates itself at this intersection where there's a need to identify and add an experiential and qualitative dimension within cycling environment in order to obtain a more comprehensive and holistic bicycle-friendly infrastructure. In order to achieve this goal, I'm investigating the role of urban design in enhancing the vitality and quality of our cycling environment. Countries like Netherlands and Denmark have been reinforcing cycling as a mode of transport, whereas Australia is still struggling to meet its cycling target. By reorganizing the urban fabric of their cities, the Dutch and the Danes have been able to achieve a mode share of 27 and 18%, whereas Australia remains as low as 2%. Therefore, by applying studio method, I plan to develop and test urban design qualities concentrating on micro-scale elements within the physical environment of Melbourne to make it more conscious to the intangible needs of the cyclists. Conclusively, if we are serious about incorporating cycling in our daily lives, it is imperative that our future conversations grow from only recognizing the importance of objective and functional facets to incorporating the intangible and immeasurable aspects of the experience of cycling. Thank you.